This is going to be a quick review and installation of some Revite door and drawer handles that I just got. You can see them right there. That's the name. A link will be in the description. This is what I'm working with right here. These old crusty brass simulated ones. So we're gonna sit down on the ground and start pulling off and putting the new ones on. All right, when you get these, they come with 2 bags of screws. These are short screws. And then you got a longer bag of screws. So, the way my doors are set up, looks like I need the long ones, or the thickness of this wood. So I just gotta pull these little ones off. Problem with these handles in the past that I've had is these holes don't line up perfectly. It's like super hard to get everything lined up and put back together. So hopefully we don't run into that problem. How's it going ahead and move? One down, 6 to go. Now my wife put these on the other bathroom already, and I bet you she used the old screws because she didn't open up that pack of the short screws. So we'll check that out after I finish this job. Flat tip. Makes no sense. Leaves the thing too long. Alright, this job's done. Here's how it came out. And we'll go in the bathroom. Just a side note, save the old screws because I had some issues, so my wife was actually right. She did this room, and we had to reuse the drawer screws because they were the exact size that were needed. The other screws that the box came with, they were too short, the short ones, and then these long ones you can actually cut. You can see the notches there if needed. But we just reused the old screws. Hit the like and subscribe button if the video helped you out.